Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the PLUIESOLEIL mosquito killer. It is electric. It is a fly killer for indoor use. 2-in-1 bug zapper UV lamp with 20-watt power for home, kitchen, and of course garden, garage, patio and porch, and so many other places you are belong to use this device. It is powerful and effective. 2 UV bulbs emit powerful attractant ultraviolet rays that attract flies, mosquitoes, and other flying insects from up to 80 feet away. Powerful coverage area lures insects to the machine where they are zapped by a powerful 2800-watt shock. There is a frame in front of it which is going to prevent bees and bumblebees of zapping. This is important for me because I like bees and bumblebees. It is chemical free. This is awesome. I like it so much because you do not spray any chemical liquids in your area. No more pesticides or potential harmful sprays. Get rid of bugs fast without sticky, messy poisons and sprays. Great for places where pesticides can't be sprayed, like kitchen and of course your living room. Safe. It is for babies and adults and older persons, etc., and of course pregnant women. And it is so easy to use. The mosquito killer can either freestand on the floor or hang on the wall by the chain, which is included for easy hanging action. The ceiling mounted 1 meter high from the floor for a better effect. That insects are corked in a tray for easy disposal. And it is safe to use. The desk pit, the powerful electrical grid, the electric insect killer is safe for home use. The grid is surrounded by a protective cage. And this will protect the bees and the bumblebees too. The device is CE certified and ROHS compliant. Oh, this is easy to install, easy to use, and it has LED inside. The UV lamp attracts and electronically zaps off flying bugs up to several 80 square feet away. The body material is aluminum alloy and flame retardant materials. You can use it 2 ways, freestanding or ceiling wall mounted. And of course, the chain for easy hanging. That means 3 things: freestanding, ceiling mounted, or chain. The rated voltage is AC 220 voltage, 50 Hertz. The size is, for example, approach 37.3 to 5.5 to 25 centimeters. These are 14.7 to 2.2 to 9.8 inches. And of course, this product will keep your home and business area free from flying insects, like mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. Low energy bulbs with low operating costs. Repels flying insect, mosquitoes, wasps, flying ants, and more. No need for sprays, candle, or smelly creams. Removable drawer makes removing the dead insects quick and easy. Keep the bug bites to a minimum. I like it because it is so silent. You can plug it into the power supply and it will not have any noise come out of the device. You can keep sleeping in the area where your mosquito killer is working, because it is mute. Environmentally friendly, LED tubes, no noise, and because of the LED tubes, energy saving. It is easy to replace the tubes by if one tube will be break in the future. It is one big on and off switch and a replace tray on the bottom side. Of course, the hang chain is interesting. Electric shock barrier is important. It is a draw for collecting insects, and double UV LED lamp bulbs. And the blue color, I think it is a nice color. It is good for garden, potted areas, warehouse, office, living rooms, but not in rainy locations. It is not a waterproof, okay? That is where you have to think about if you use the mosquito killer out in the outer space, of course. So that it is. I like it. It is chemical free, and inside there is LED technology, and that it is how I like it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.